In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. You can find lots of reviews on hotels online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 7.0, which is the good. A set of reviews now displayed on your screen which may address many of your basic questions about this property.